Did you know that one woman's courage to do the right thing stopped 20 million people from having their identities stolen? Iris Chen was an IT security director at a major retail company when she discovered something shocking. Her own bosses were secretly selling customer credit card numbers and social security information to criminals. They offered her $300,000 to stay quiet and even threatened her work visa. For 6 months, Iris lived a double life. During the day, she acted normal at work. At night, she secretly copied evidence of the massive theft. She found falsified security reports and proof that company executives were making millions from identity theft. The pressure was crushing, but Iris knew millions of innocent customers were at risk. She contacted the FBI with all her evidence. The investigation led to criminal prosecutions of top executives and recovered millions in stolen money. Today, Iris works as a federal cybersecurity advisor, earning twice her old salary. Her integrity didn't just protect millions of people, it transformed her entire career.